welcome to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing our Sephora Play Box unboxing. This thing just came in the mail and I can't wait to unbox it. I have not opened it. We are going to open this together, see what we got. I don't have any scissors, so let's just go ahead and get started here. Oh, it's backwards. This always happens to me. I always freaking pull everything up backwards. This is what it is looking like, if you guys could see it. This is the theme, and this has our little play card right on here where it gives us our 50 additional beauty insider points. I'm not gonna pick in here because I just like to pull stuff out. But it's really cute. It's really bright and colorful, as you guys can see it. This is the bag. Let me put this box down. This is the little baggie, and it has Happy New Year 2018. That's what it says on there, if you guys could see that. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me just pull from within. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is the first item in the box, and oh my god, it's super blinding in here. Let me fix my blinds because it's so blinding. Okay, so back to where we were. This is the first item that we got, and this is a Clinique Prep Start, and this is an eye cream. So this is supposed to help with your under eyes, like for hydration and just prepping that under eye, so I guess you don't get wrinkles and stuff. You know, we need to take care of our under eyes. So that one was the little first item that we got. I hope you guys can see better. It looks a little bit darker, but I think it's better. It's not as blinding because it was so bright. The next item we got was this right here, and this is the Boscia exfoliating peel gel. So skincare item. I've never tried this brand, but I'm excited to try this. I need some skincare. The next item we got was this right here. Ooh, I like Glam Glow. Something from Glam Glow. This is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Cleansing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I really love this stuff. I remember a while back they gave us like a Glam Glow, like a little tub. It's actually this one right here, this one from Glam Glow, and I really love this one. I use it every single day, and I'm almost done with it. Like, look, you guys can like literally see, and this sample is really small, but just a little bit goes a very long way. I really like Glam Glow, so I am definitely going to be trying this out. And I know this Glam Glow stuff is pretty expensive. It's fancy. And the next item we got was this right here. This is makeup. Yes, it's makeup. Okay, so this is the Makeup Forever Artist Face Color, and this is what it is. It looks like you could use it like as an eyeshadow, or you could also use it as a blush. This is what it kind of looks like. It's like a really soft peachy tone. You guys can hardly see it, but it's a really beautiful color. It's really small, really nice. I love makeup. The next thing we got was this right here, more makeup. Yes, I love makeup. I hate it when they send like so much skincare stuff that it's kind of boring. Like, makeup excites me. It gives me like my high. So it's this right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a lip gloss, and the name of it is called Kristen. It looks like a really pretty color. I don't really go for the gloss, but it's very nice. I like it. Very pretty. I don't know. I might try it out. I really like it. I like the color, and I like makeup. So yeah, this is really cute. I will definitely be trying that out. And this is a squishy item. So this month they didn't give us a perfume sample. Why? Why did they not give us a perfume sample? I love perfumes. I don't know about this squishy stuff, but anyway. So this is a Gloss Modern, and this is a sulfate-free, paraben-free, vegan-free. So this is a mask. It looks like it's a, yep, it's for the hair. It's for the hair. The hair needs help. So it's a hair mask. I'll definitely be using it. But I look forward to my perfume samples. And we didn't get one this month. So this is it, you guys. This was the Sephora Play Box for the month of January 2018. And of course, don't forget to take your little play pass when you go to Sephora. You get your additional little 50 beauty insider points. And this is so cool. So right here at the very bottom, if you guys could see it, it tells you how long you're supposed to keep each item for. That's really good because a lot of the makeup products don't have an expiration date and you keep them forever and ever and they're already expired and you don't even know it. So it says powders, you keep them up to 24 months. Cream-based lip items, you keep them for 18 months. Liquid-based coverage and lip is 12 months. Pencil, eyeliner, 24 months. Mascara, liquid eyeliner, you're supposed to keep it for 3 months, ladies. You guys need to stay on top of this because these items do not have expiration dates. So make sure that you guys are listening and paying attention to this because this is super important. Now I know when to throw out my stuff, but it has it right here. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to like cut this little thing off and I'm going to paste it on my vanity so that way I know when to throw out my shit because it's expired. Because, you know, I'm a hoarder and like I like to keep my little stashes like just there. Like, oh, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that. And I never do use it. So this is very, very important. That way you guys know your expiration dates on your makeup and beauty products. So yeah, guys, this wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Show your girls some love. Support your little YouTubers like myself by giving us some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.